predators. The water running across the bridge and dropping aerates it. And then, of course, the 60-degree temperature environment for rainbow trout. These are rainbow trout. And you'll see why we call it. You think we got tram going by here every 30 minutes, they would get full? Yeah. Here, I'll pull some up this way. Thank you. This next waterfall coming up is called Thunder Falls. Unique feature. That unique feature causes a lot of proposals to be done here. That unique feature is two waterfalls becoming one. Aww. Limestone is a more porous limestone. You see it's very gravelly. Pieces are breaking off, chipping off. Fire and refuse pits, and determined the occupied time was between 800 and 1200 AD. Another cave coming up on is Kids
Cave.
Still kind of hiding back in the waterfall there, so it finally came out.
This is pretty, isn't it, guys? I'm gonna put them. No. Oh, I touched one. I touched one. You know, I know that's what I wanted to, but then
don't fall in.
And I regretted when I said it instantly. Oh, it's slimy! Can I touch one? Yeah.
You said these are rainbow trout?
Yes.
Touch them.
Can't feed them over here though.
Oh, really?
I can feed them.
This is where the guided fishermen fish.
I wish we stopped at that other place that those people were at.
What do you reckon this wrought iron fence is worth?
I don't know, but he said they made it.
They made it?
Isn't that what he said? The people here made it?
What if I just...
Yeah. Ooh, it is shaky right there.
Right here.
Whoa!
I'm not yelling.
Ooh, look at this.
There's fishes.
Canyon wall on our left is more limestone.
How do they know they're not?
That on our left, I believe, is our dominant bison. No, it isn't.
Oh, I was gonna say, let's pass him.
No, he didn't have a dark enough behind you there. I'm going to go ahead and slowly go through these guys. I'll talk about them when we get past. If you'll notice on the right there, we do have a white bison. Of course, that's if these guys let me walk go by. They've been known to butt. Come on, guys.
He's jamming out. Look at him.
You'll notice up ahead of us here some calves. That guy's really close. Make sure.
Yeah, get away, Mason.
Yeah, don't try to touch him. You're getting up close and personal
Oh,
though.
he's peeing right next to me.
Oh, he about drank it. He about drank it, Dad.
Ethan, sit down and don't make any big noises.
This one might be trying to protect baby a little bit. There is baby here on our left. Sorry, guys.
Did you get a video how close that was?
I did. I'm on video.
About how close it was to me? Oh my god.
I'll go ahead and pull up here where you can get there's a baby. And I'll get out and talk about him a little bit.
Oh my, that little one.
We used to feed these guys from the trams, but there were two problems with that. One, it really wasn't that safe. It looks like we have a lone elk down there to the far. Put out hay for them.
No, that's cool.
What is that?
A long one.
That's awesome.
There. So
Could you imagine carrying that around on your head all day? Gotta be a miserable life.
They're just ready for their picture. Pretty sure that's Rudolph.
there might be, oh, there's one over there maybe in the grass, and that's what they do. The babies, when they come out for the first couple of months, have no scent and they're spotted. So what Mama will do is put them in the tall grass. That hides them away from the herd and keeps them away. You know, if they can't be smelled by a predator and they're away from the herd just a little bit, they are a lot safer than they would be trying to. Unlike to see the females are to the left and the males are to the right. Come mating season, they will segregate even more. Really don't have a whole lot of issue with predators out here, but trying to provide them as much of a natural environment as possible.
Mom, imagine having to mow all this.
They let them eat it. Are they allowed on the trail? Oh, I saw that guy in the big gate. And you were right there. You don't know that.
He said it wasn't venomous. Yes, you can see it.
Mason, sit down.
Touch it. Touch it. I didn't.
This bridge was made, what they say, with beams from Chicago.
What do you think, guys? Beautiful, gorgeous, and hot.
Mason, what do you think? Good. Good?
And I'll be dropping you off.